Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then open the System Settings, go to Display, scroll down to Display Orientation option, expand the list next to it, and select the orientation that you like the most. Once you select it, you'll have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within these 15 seconds, the changes will be reverted, so let's keep them. And then to change the orientation to the previous one, just expand this list again and select landscape, then keep changes, and that's how you rotate screen on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.